how to download any music free on Android. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way using trusted websites that offer copyright-free and royalty-free music. First, open any browser on your Android phone. I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser. Now, in the address bar, search for websites like Pixabay Music, NCS Music, or Free Music Archive. Open any one of these trusted websites. Next, go to the music or audio section. If the website has filters, you can choose a genre, mood, or category to quickly find the type of music you want. Once you find a track, tap the play button to preview it. If you like the music, simply tap the download button. The audio file will start downloading directly to your Android phone. After the download is complete, open the Files or My Files app. Then go to the Downloads or Music folder. You'll find your downloaded MP3 file there, ready to play anytime. Just remember, even though these websites provide free music, always check the license before using it in YouTube videos or commercial projects, as some tracks may require attribution. That's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Android tips and tutorials.